Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by powering down and unplugging the system. This eliminates live voltage risk. Once done, press the case power button for 5-10 seconds to bleed residual charge. Next, remove the side panel and ground yourself. Use a wrist strap or touch the metal case frequently. Now locate the GPU retention screw and PSU connectors and photograph every cable and connector so you can reconnect correctly. This prevents mismatches and wasted time later. You'll now remove the GPU by unplugging PCIe power connectors and unscrewing the bracket. Press the slot latch and pull the card straight out to avoid bending pins. Inspect the PCIe slot and case area for dust or obstructions and clean as needed. To install the new GPU, align it with the slot. Press evenly until the latch clicks, then secure the bracket screw. Finally, connect the appropriate 6/8-pin power cables. Using correct connectors prevents undervoltage or damage. You remove the old PSU by disconnecting every cable and unscrewing its mount. Label similar connectors first if non-modular. Install the new PSU, orienting airflow correctly, and route cables neatly through grommets for airflow and strain relief. Reconnect 24-pin, CPU 4/8-pin, and GPU PCIe cables, then secure panels. When you power on, listen for fans and watch for post. If the system fails to boot, reseat power connectors and try a different PCIe power cable. Faulty cables are a common culprit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.